Last video we discussed till plinth beam construction. Now let's start from ground floor wall construction. You can see the ground floor wall construction as per the plan. Here in this ground floor we have one room, one small kitchen cabinet and bathroom provision, where we are keeping the opening for windows and door. There are 4 windows, 2 small windows, one for bathroom and one for kitchen. Other 2 are for front side one and back side one. So you can see the wall construction for the ground floor. Once the walls are constructed, we need to do the centering for lintel. Here you need to understand what is lintel. Lintel is provided for the openings like window. It may be for windows or for the door area, wherever the opening comes. We need to provide the lintel. This will be of 4-inch size, and also parallelly the centering work for staircase is going on. You can see the red highlighted area, that is the lintel. Once we complete the lintel concrete work, we need to again build the wall. Again we have kept for 2 stones, and this is ready for a mold where it's about 9.5 feet of height inside. And once the lintel work is completed, then after the wall preparation we started for centering work preparation for mold. You can see the centering work here. Centering preparation for steps, then this is for the mold, ground floor mold. And once the centering work is done, we have to place the mat for mold work. You can see the mat placed across the mold area, and once the mat is placed, then steel work gets started. You can see the beam connectivity between the pillars, and there is going to be a bed creation for this steel work. Steel work is going on. This is at the staircase. Before putting the mold, we need to place all the electrical pipes. You can see the electrical work which is in progress before the mold. This is the mold preparation, where you can see they are mixing the cement, stone and the M-sand. This will be prepared for mold. You can see the machines here. We have used the Birla 53 grade cement for all the concrete work. You can see the mold work. They will pour all these mixed cement. There should not be any gap during the mold preparation. That has to be done one time, like once they start they have to finish it, so that it will be appropriately fixed. Once mold work is completed, you can see the preparation for water curing, where you need to do the curing for at least for 2 to 3 weeks. You can see the water curing. Let's move on to first floor. This is the first floor plan. This is the column preparation, where I was mentioning we used the Ramco block for this construction. You can see the blocks here. Then the column preparation for first floor is going on. These are the wall which we are building in first floor. where we have a one puja room, big kitchen that is 8 by 12, and we have one hall and the bathroom. You can see the wall work is in progress. So now the first floor is completed. Let's move on to second floor. Again the process is same, lintel, mold, centering, steel work is same for all the molds. Then again this is for the second floor wall construction, where we have a 2 bedrooms attached with attached bathroom and one balcony. Again centering work, and similarly there will be a steel work, all the things, and there will be a mold work for second floor and things like that. You can see the completed building, where after all this construction we have placed all the windows. These front big windows are made of white salt, and others are made of neem wood. So you can see the elevation preparation. Once all this construction have been completed, then we have constructed the elevation. You can see the elevation construction work which is in progress. Then after completion of construction, we started with the plastering, where we started plastering inside and also outside. You can see the plastering for the room. This is for a staircase. These are chain stairs. And also, like, once we completed the plastering, we have made a gas pipe cuttings, and also we started with the plumbing connections for water connection and sanitary as well. So till now we have discussed about civil work and the plastering, and let's discuss other things in next video. Thank you.